going on? It's your boy Blazendary here, and today in this video, we got another New York vlog. Let's get it. Hello?
Babe,
Yes.
the doctor is not here.
Okay. What rhymes with bagel? I really don't know. Is it flagle and table and able, ladle, cradle, bagel? There's 104 days of summer vacation and school comes along just to end it. Look at you all swagged out. There you go, man. Literally, I feel like this stuff is all I use, but this hand sanitizer, sometimes you gotta roll the window down. Bacon, egg, and cheese review on a roll, a 9 out of 10.
Really?
Yeah. Ayo, the Alright guys, so we have made it to GameStop. You already know we're gonna be going Pokemon channel berserk, trying to find some Pokemon cards. Definitely make sure you guys check out the haul on the Pokemon channel. I ain't gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I did it. And today we are going to be doing something super special. I've been waiting to make this video now for the last, I think it's year at this point. Today we are going to be doing my sneaker collection. Now it's not going to be this video entirely that you guys will see that, but a little bit of a behind the scenes of the SneakerCon guys coming over, and they're going to legit check the collection. So we're going to upload that this weekend. Make sure you guys are here on the Blazendary channel for the updated sneaker collection. So I've just been starting to lay out some of the pairs that I want to get organized, thinking about how I want to do it. I might want to just take up the entire space of this floor, maybe for the thumbnail or something like that, and then we'll review each shoe in the crates like we've done, like a little tour. These are some sneakers that I also sold on the SneakerCon app. If you guys saw the Profit Box mystery box video, these are the ones that have already went. So let's go ahead, head to the office, and let's get those shipped out. What?
There's no boxes out here. It's crazy.
I know, guys. So
we finally.
So basically, we had a little problem of boxes. We had a lot of boxes, and they were all just taking up our back patio right here. It was a huge problem.
No, like all of them.
I know. Now we could use this.
Yeah, we could put chairs out here.
I'll see you later.
I love you. Shop at blazendary.com. Don't miss out.
This car will be getting traded in. Hopefully what I want to get will be available. I'm gonna do a couple vlogs of me test driving some stuff, you know, going to look at some options, but for the most part, I think I know what I want. So guys, I'd like to go ahead and tell you about the sponsor of today's video, which is going to be Sweatcoin, which is probably one of the most useful apps I've installed on my phone since the pandemic. Sweatcoin is an app that generates you digital currency when you walk. It's completely free. You install it right on your phone, and it just tracks how many steps you take throughout the day, and it converts it into its own little currency. So as you guys can see today, I've taken 2,700 steps, and I've converted $2.09 worth of Sweatcoin. On the app, you can redeem this for rewards, so you guys can claim real prizes, free things, discounts. It's a really great way to get involved with your activity. You can even donate with your Sweatcoin, so I'm gonna go ahead and donate my Sweatcoin right now. Let's see, I'm gonna give 50 Sweatcoin to the fire department, and I wanna hear more from them. Boom, right there, I just shared my contribution. Now you guys are gonna have a chance at a special reward for these Bread 11s right here, so make sure you guys download the app, get walking, because you can win a $400 pair of shoes for free just by literally installing an app on your phone that tracks how many steps you take throughout the day. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you so much to Sweatcoin for sponsoring this portion of the video. Let's get back to what we got in SneakerCon. Yo, what's good, bro? Gonna be coming over to the crib and gonna be legit checking my pairs. Basically, this is for the video, the sneaker collection. In 2000, I think it was 19 when Brian came by, and he legit checked everything back in North Carolina. We got a lot of new pairs, and we got some pairs that you guys have never seen before. So sit back, relax, and wait for that video to drop. So guys, we just took out all the pairs of sneakers and we're gonna lay them out, legit tag them. So of course you guys know that in my collection, we're not gonna have a single fake. I mean, definitely some of the favorites. We gotta say, of course, the Red October. These things will always go crazy. We got the Air Foamposite Fighter Jet. We got these DB5s right here. This is nuts. If you guys wanna see any more, make sure you turn on your post notifications and wait for that sneaker collection. Well, we've kind of put myself in the middle of all the shoes here for the thumbnail. So we just finished up filming here, and I had to bless the homie Marv with some evolutions.
That,
Yeah, what happened as a kid? What happened to your cards?
so me and my sister, like when we moved out of my grandmother's place, freaking put most of the stuff in storage and then lost the storage unit, so lost all of my cards. But this is a good start.
Marv's about to leave with his beautiful box, and bro, appreciate all your help today, man.
Well, you already know, man. That's what we're here for.
So we're dropping Marv off right now. Get that city vibe in the nighttime. It's absolutely beautiful. We're gonna check out the crib, see what we got going on inside, and maybe catch out some of Marv's collectibles. Let's see what Marv got in this episode of Marv's room. Yo, Marvin's room. Yo, this looks sick, man. It smells like my grandparents' house, bro. Yo, wow. Wow, man, you got quite the collection in here. We should do your sneaker collection, man.
Soon.
What's your favorite pair?
This has got to be one of them right here.
Galaxies?
Yeah.
Looks like we got a lot of the same shoes in here, man.
Signed by Penny.
Wow.
SneakerCon New York.
Certificate of authenticity. That's lit, yo. Oh, I love that Michael Jordan pop you got up there. Yo, you got a whole freaking wall of them, bro.
More to come, honestly.
Oh, yo. Yo, where did you get these big boys from? Oh, you got the big pop right there. Yo, this is a vibe, bro. Damn, man, you're quite the pop collector. What is it about the pop?
Literally, with Pops, there's a character for everything. So I got caught up in it with WWE. So
Okay.
I bought an Undertaker pop, and I mean, look where it got me now. Like a hobby now. Also got this bad boy over here too. He talks if you squeeze his belly.
I love you like Kanye loves Kanye.
You keep all the pops and everything in the box?
Yeah, some of them I keep in the box, and then some of them I put in here too.
Okay.
So you got like the little charmer in there. Well, this one's a normal vinyl. Some of them are normal vinyls. Yeah, some of them have the bobblehead effect as well.
Yo, I gotta say though, you got these right here, man. Damn. Sample gang. I spotted those from a mile away. All right, and what of course would it be without a little haul? So this is some packages that I got over the last week. We're gonna open them up one by one. There's a couple things here, not only from, things that I purchased, there's also some stuff and goodies in the P.O. box. I wanna start it off with this package right here though. I've been meaning to get this open. I've still left it sealed, and I'm very excited to be, receiving these kinds of special gifts. And I wanna thank the good folks over at Doc Marten. So as you guys can see, the Bear Brick symbol on the top of the box. Yo, there's gonna be quite a number of different Bear Bricks in here. So that's really cool. There's gonna be, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 different Bear Bricks. Yo, so let's have a look at the shoes. These babies are fire. Check them out. I love the shape. Not only that, but there's also a little bit of fur on the back. And look at that texture. That is all in the shape of Bear Bricks. So what a unique shoe. We also have a little lace swap, so there's a red and blue option. But these Bear Bricks are really, really exciting to see. This clear skeleton is amazing, 100%. The collector in me, of course, wants to leave these sealed, and we have this final one right here. So all in all, 5 Bear Bricks. We're gonna add these to the shelf of my Bear Bricks over there. Here's the other shoe, so we have the blue and red laces together. Next up, we have a gift from the P.O. box, Mascolo. So I appreciate everybody that sends stuff over to the P.O. box. Really like the attention to detail there. You can tell that's custom. Ooh, you can even smell the paint. Very cool. Magnetic front on the box. Whoa. Yo, this goes pretty crazy right here with my name on it. So right here we have a custom leather painted jacket with Blazendary, as you guys can see. Whoa, this is sick. I'm definitely gonna have to bust this out for the winter. We have one more package from Mascolo, so let's see what else we got. And right here we have a custom painted hat. Very cool. I definitely think they've been noticing I've been wearing hats in just about every video. Really appreciate it. Standard shoe pickup, had to just, you know, announce it. We have the just all white Steppas. As you guys can see, the Air Forces, just a classic model. I don't have actually just a regular low top pair. Maybe I'll do a custom on them, I'm not really sure. Just saw them, they restocked. Looks like here we're gonna have a little package from Supreme. Let's check it out. So we have 2 bakalakas and stuffing. This right here is going to, whoa, that was lucky. This right here is gonna be the studded collars vase. So it's a brand new item that just came out on the website. It is still available, but I'm gonna put it on the display shelf. I gotta find a spot, probably close to the floor so it doesn't break and drop. We have another package from Supreme, so let's see what this one is. Being in New York now, I'm getting these things very quickly. What a difference than in North Carolina. We got a hat, so this is gonna be a Windstopper ear flap 6-panel in a light purple with a little logo on the top. I'm gonna keep it brand new in case the price is like going for absolutely ridiculous numbers. And there's one more package in here, bubble wrap. We have the camo iPhone case. So here we go. These are still available on the website as well. It's also about time that Supreme made a phone case that people can use, because every time they release a case, they have to wait till the new model comes out. By the time the 12 came out, the 11s were able to release, and people still have the 11 like me, so I'm gonna keep my phone and maybe use that case. All right, we got another package right here. Let's see. It's going to be, oh, a gift from the homies over at the Sneaker Knockers. So thank you to those guys. We have first up, what's up, Billie Eilish, Takashi Murakami, and Uniqlo for Billie Eilish Sneaker Knockers shirt. And we also have, ooh, yo, we got a brand new Jordan. It's gonna be the Concord Purple 12. So check that out, guys. You guys know purple's my favorite color. Gonna have to represent these absolutely. Definitely gonna be a fresh new shoe I'm gonna wear in the rotation. Whoa, that metallic purple is like super bright. That is a really, really nice hit of color on here. And we have one final package right here, guys. This is gonna be coming from Kith, in which, you know, they have a couple drops here and there. This was for the Kith BMW collab, so here we go. First up, we have a nylon jacket. You guys can see it, color palette, navy, light blue. This is a shirt. I'm gonna wear this one. Here we have a BMW M3 on the front of this shirt. These pants are gonna go with that jacket that you guys saw. And this is gonna be an M3 hoodie. I'm not gonna take it out of the bag. It's a size small. Oh, and we got one final package right here. My girlfriend's been asking about this for months. We finally have our Pop Smoke merch. Here's a shirt for her. And then this is going to be the one that I ordered, the long sleeve. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog and mini mail time. I really appreciate it. The +++ chain is gonna be coming out on Black Friday, Blazendary.com, November 27th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Stay positive. Keep that in your mind. +++ chains, Blazendary.com. And it's your boy Blazendary signing out. Stay positive. Peace out.